What's up, y'all? Whew. Yesterday was stressful, but it looks pretty nice in here right now. I can't complain. I've been staying comfortable, and I do not have a fire going right now. Yeah. It's 7:39. Um, yeah, it's supposed to rain the next couple days, so I'll probably be in the crib chilling. Probably in the crib chilling. But I got a couple things I got to do before the rain starts, so let's just get started. This is probably just gonna be a chill video. I know I gotta fix a couple things. I gotta split up some wood, get it out the weather. And I think we're gonna open up some packages later. So yeah, let's just get started. So yeah, so anyway, it's supposed to rain for the next week straight. I'm prepared for the most part, except for I only got a little bit of wood left that I can split up. That's out of the weather. And hey, Endo, I've already fed you this morning. This is for me, Bubba. This is for me, Bubba. The only thing I'm worried about is this window. This window right here, water still gets in somehow. And I think it's because of this overhang right here. If you look at it, there's absolutely zero overhang. So I think I'm gonna get up there and I'm gonna take these pieces of metal right here and just lay them up there just like I did the other side. So it doesn't leak. I'm gonna do it now before it's raining so I don't almost slip and fall off the ladder. It's a good tasty treat. Yeah. Roscoe's playing with your tail. What? What is it, Bubba's? Huh? No, Dozer and Roscoe are playing with your tail. What is it? Can I have paw? Can I have your paw? Aw, thank you. Thank you. You pretty thing. Boog. Big old boog. Anyway. Damn, look how much bigger he is than Dozer. Yeah. I need to get up here and do that. And I think maybe we can open some gifts later. Yeah. I'm gonna get up there and do that real quick. Ooh, it smells like smoke in here because I just cooked that Pop-Tart. And that pan I haven't used it in a while, so it was a little bit burnt. Anyway, perfect. All right, need to brush my teeth. Let's go. Oh, I need the ladder. It's over here. I really should probably, I should probably split all this up and at least cut it up and put it under the tarp. I'm just tired, man. I'm lazy today. I did the roof or the ceiling yesterday, and today's kind of like drowsy. So I'll probably just relax and edit video today. Let's grab this ladder. All right, Indo, please don't knock over my camera while I'm doing this, Bubba. I would appreciate it. The overhang's a good 6 to 8 inches. I got some bricks up there. And a fence post to hopefully hold it down until I get ready to fix it properly. Yeah, it looks nice out here. One day at a time. Yep. I really need to get my firewood put up out of the weather, man. Let's do it. Just found this floating around in the bed of my truck. Can't beat it. Oh. All right. Sounds good. Primer up real good. Throw that choke on, because why not? Give her a twist. See what she does. Getting them cut, getting them chopped. I'm sweating bullets. Literally sweating bullets. Whew. Take a little break. Come here. What are you doing upside down? Anyway, let's get back to work, Roscoe's. Let's get back to work, Roscoe's. Oh, you're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. Where were we? So we got all this wood right here. Looks good. We got all this wood right here. I still have this 8-foot firewood holder I need to put together. Probably be a while. I think I got enough wood to last me the rest of the winter. So yeah, for next winter we're gonna be completely stacked. I'm gonna have so much wood seasoned. I'm gonna get it done like, you know, the next week or two, so it'll be ready for next winter. Hopefully y'all are around to see that, you know. Anyway, good overnight log right there. Got plenty of water. I don't even have to worry about collecting water this time. We got plenty. Or I could probably go get more barrels and go ahead and collect more water. Probably be smart, to be honest. We might do that. Anyway, this is still a mess, but it's better than it was. And that big pile of firewood is now out of the weather, so that's good. Is it good, Dozer? Yeah? You think so? Word. Anyway, hope y'all like the little segments where I just record my animals, because I like doing it with this new HD quality camera. I love watching those videos back, especially when I'm editing. But yeah. Yep. I hear Clayton, and he's like way over here on the other side of the pond. Let's go check it out and see what he's doing. Check on Clayton. I need to poop. Beautiful out here. Look at Indo. Look at Indo way over there. Too bad he still likes to run away, so I can't really let him off the chain right now. Found my chickens though. Over here chilling on the other side of the pond. Yep. Anyway, my lips are chapped. I gotta poop. I need to brush my teeth. My lips are chapped. A whole bunch of stuff. So I'm about to go in the cabin and relax and wait for this weather. Yep. Love you. Dozer, get your ass over here, and Endo, shut up. Look down, hush. Woo! It stinks in here. Woo-hoo-hoo. I'm gonna start doing that outside on pretty days because it stinks in here, boy. It smells like 10 pounds. I'm bounced that out. Woo! Where's my toothbrush? What the heck did I do with my toothbrush? Found it. I should probably brush my teeth more often. It's not good to spit up blood after you brush your teeth, huh? Anyway. What's up? The rain is here. It is here. Oh, oh yeah. Coming down. It's coming down outside. Let's check on Endo. Hey, go get in your truck. Go get in your truck. Hey, Endo, go get in your truck. Hey, come on. Come on. Go. Yo. All right, so I don't remember where we left off last. It was raining all night. It was raining all day yesterday. Today it's cloudy, but it really hasn't been raining today. I got a lot of stuff need to get done. Yeah. Most importantly, I need to Sebastian, get out of my truck. Hey. I love you. I've already fed all the animals today. I actually got Dozer on a lead, and I got Daisy inside because I'm finna go play some basketball. I'm finna take a little break, go and do something that I enjoy, and play some basketball. But before I can do that, I gotta get all these packages out of my truck. It's completely full of packages, and I still got a lot of packages in the bus that I need to open. So I'm gonna put all these in the bus, and then I'm gonna play some basketball. When I get back, we'll open some gifts. Or maybe it'll be in the next video. I don't know yet. It depends on how long I play basketball, or it depends on how long this episode is. I'm trying to keep them around 45 minutes for y'all. So with that being said, let's get all these packages put in the bus, and yeah. Dang it, Endo, you're always curious about something. Yeah. Anyway. Oh! Are you okay? I know I just smacked you at the door because you... I'm so sorry. Smacked him with the door. Anyway, the bus is a complete mess. These are all unopened packages. So I'm just going to stack these rest of them with them. I'm sorry, y'all. I know I haven't opened a lot of them in a couple videos, but I've just been busy working on the cabin, so yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and swap these over real quick, and then we're gonna hit the road. Whew. It starts right here. These are all unopened packages. It starts right here, and it goes and goes and goes. It's actually taller than me. But I want to take this time to say, guys, I cannot appreciate you more than, like, y'all changed my life completely from the very start when I started getting the support. I put everything to use as I can. Right now, obviously, I can't put every single item to use, but there is a time and a place and a chance for me to use everything in the future or now. And I hope y'all realize I've been trying to use everything. I appreciate y'all's support on the YouTube videos. The more likes, the more comments that I get from you guys, the more revenue I actually get off these videos. I got my first check last month, and I'll keep it real. I made $1,800 last month off YouTube. $1,800. I spent it all on material. I actually spent $500 on this right here. What is in these boxes is actually the insulation for the bus. It was expensive. I still got to get a couple more boxes, and these are $200 a piece. What it is this is sound deadening, insulation, moisture barrier, everything in one. And we're going to use it to insulate the bus because this space back here is actually going to be my bathroom, and I'm about to start renovating it very soon. As soon as I finish the cabin, we're going to start on the bus. So I just saw Roscoe coming here. Hey, get out. With that being said, I appreciate you guys so much. I love you all. Don't forget, OnlyupClub. We're going to rock it to the top. God will is going to take us there. So let's go. Let's go play some basketball. Let's get on the road. For the game, man. That's how we do this shit. Good morning. Did y'all like that? I was so tired. I was so wore out yesterday after playing basketball. I came home and I went to sleep. I came home and I went straight to sleep. I've been asleep all night, cuddled up, not worried about nothing. If y'all like that little if y'all like that little vlog footage of me playing basketball, let me know in the comments. We're gonna do some more later on. But I need to know if I should leave those out of the videos or put them in the videos. You know, because that's just me having fun on the side. No. But yeah, if y'all like that, let me know down in the comments. I think it was a fun day, competitive. Dude was really good. He was crossing me up the whole time, but I love competition. So that's why we was going back and forth. It was a good game. We ended up with the win. West prevailed. But yeah, we had a lot of fun. There's a lot of good people out there playing ball. But yeah, it's early in the morning. It's like 8 o'clock. Time is it? 7:55. I need to get up, feed all these animals, and figure out what I'm going to do today. Yeah, I think I need to split up a whole bunch of wood. We need to open up some packages. We got a lot to do today, so let's get it done. Ooh, we got a ceiling in here.